good to go.
So, good morning, everybody. I welcome you on this much wanted training on ICT tools because we all are now engaged in online teaching, and there are some difficulties which we are facing, like keeping students engaged, making it interactive. We are missing our green and chalks and so many things. So, today Harshal sir is here. I welcome Harshal sir, and he'll be giving training in ICT tools so that you can make your online teaching more effective. So there are very good, beautiful ICT tools which will certainly add value to your online teaching. So I won't take much time. As we discussed, we'll be recording it. We'll be putting the link on YouTube. So those who cannot access it can access it afterwards, and we are there to help you whenever you find any difficulty. So with this note, I'm giving it to Harshal sir. Thanks a lot. You can go ahead, Harshal sir. Thank you.
Fine. Good morning, everyone. This session will be initially, we will have some interaction. So I would first of all ask that because you have already used from the last 1.5 months, probably 2 months now. So you have used online tools like online classes, and we would have certain limitations that everyone might have experienced, or maybe they feel somewhat enjoyable also. So here I would ask everyone, what's their opinion? What are the difficulties? What are the problems which you have faced? What you have thought that this I want to do but I couldn't do, and if I wanted to do this, how can I do it? Because we all use Google Classroom, we all use Zoom, we all use other so many tools. But what can we do that we know? But what cannot do that will be in everyone's mind. That so I'll please open up the forum. I'll open up the forum for everyone that what difficulties everyone had seen right till this durations in a pandemic regarding the online teaching and making that more effective. So, may I have some voluntary answer from anyone?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Yeah,
Sir,
good
the
morning.
biggest
I can
problem is
hear you.
connectivity issue.
Correct. Yes, one, connectivity issues.
That is
Harshal
the main
sir.
problem we face. We and the
Yes.
students both,
We ended with the
and there is no personal
one-to-one
one-to-one
connectivity is
interaction
missing.
to the student. There is
Okay.
no feeling like classroom teaching. That is the problem.
No feeling like a classroom teaching because we are missing them on a connectivity, and they are missing also sometime to us also, right? So these are the one of the limitations, right?
Sir, the second limitation is a virtual board. If we are having any
Virtual board.
virtual board, then we can easily explain any formula or algorithms.
Correct. Obviously, everyone is missing is this, and I had come up with such kind of solutions also today. Any other problems? Any other problems?
Yes, sir. When in a QA session, we are conducting a QA session, then it is difficult to manage the participants. The particular queue,
Okay,
one-to-one handling
correct,
of
sir.
participants.
Absolutely correct, sir. The connectivity issues that we cannot handle, that is not in anyone's cup of tea. But how to make the available things more effective, that is in our hand, that we can handle. So you want a connect collaborations, you want the communication when people can do talk to each other, and if you want that in this medium, what happened, the noise is arising, so much noise. If everyone starts speaking together, so much noise will arise, and we need to mute some of the people, we need to unmute the people, and that creates a unnecessary one hectic burden, right? And if everyone speaks together in this medium, no one will be able to listen, right? As of now, if everyone unmute themselves and start speaking, we will lost who is speaking. We need to find it out whether who is speaking. right? We need to search on the screen who is there and who spoke. So we have certain solutions for that. And as Priya madam suggested, there is we are missing our board. We are the traditional teacher. We need lot many gadgets. Right. So I'll first start with the board. Okay, and I will suggest everyone to. I'll share the link first, but I will first say I will demonstrate, and then you can replicate it. So first, in a chat box, I had copied the link classroom screen, and let me present my screen to everyone how it is, what it is. So this is a screen which I am going to share, which will make you effective teaching even though you are teaching in a classroom also, not only at the time of virtual classroom. So right now you can see that I'm started presenting, and you can see one of the screen which is get loaded on my screen, that is named as a classroom screen. So I had made it loaded. You will get you will get this sort of interface, right? And you have two options. You can look at over here and launch a classroom screen and go to the classroom screen. So very first, I will go ahead with the classroom screen, and I have click over here. My another window gets opened, and you can see that some squirrel you can see. And if you don't like this background, there is the first option. We can click over here at the leftmost side, and we can choose our well effective, well liked, good background which we want. And we can select the bright background, and I have selected. So the if someone is there, okay, right, we have joined here. So you can see that nice bright screen is coming as my backdrop. And what I can do now here, I have lot many gadgets. Very first, I have lot many gadgets, and I will explore each and every one in front of you. So those who are missing the board, for them there is a here a T icon. And now I request everyone from Ahmedabad Homeopathic, please mute your mic. So that some noise is continuously coming from there. So can you? Okay, fine. And if anyone is also there on, please mute it. So this will be make my audio very clear to everyone. Now look at this here. You have a text, and you click over here. You will have a one board where you can type easily, and you can easily place wherever you want. You can see that I'm just clicking and dragging over here. There is an option of selecting the font size, because what happened, people when see that the font size is generally very low, and we don't have options to edit it, like those who have a whiteboards like in a Zoom or a Google has a Jamboard, but these options are not available. Other options are there. You can have a superscript and a subscript also. So those who are worried with the writing the formula, I would show you that like you have some equation where x square, and I want to type x, and then I can use right, and I can select that and make it superscript x square, right, and then I can off this. I can have x square plus y square, right, which we generally select here and put it this way. Even we can make the subscript of also of that, and is equal to, I want to make a something which is a z of c. So this is a hypothetical equation I'm showing, but you can see that a demonstration, I can even change the font size and make it more visible clearly. Even I want to focus on something, I can change the color, right? I can make somewhat a text formalization, and I can have another color also, and make my board very interactive, very beautifully written. Even I can make it italic. All word powers are available. And if you want to say something, don't do this, right, I can say don't do it, and I can have a strike mark also on this, right? I can have a strike mark also on that. So this way we can do certain things. Even we can do a justify, make it at center, right? And color changing is always there. So we have all these options. Another options is you can have a clickable links which you can set, and those who are very good at the something which is on a board they want to have, for them there is an option like a draw. So you can have a draw also. Here you have a left side, you have a text. Here you have a draw. And you can have many drawing boards also on the same screen. And you can select the pen color, the color which you want. And you can have your diagram, like those who are teaching something mathematical formulas, they can easily draw, right? And I can now change my color pen, and I can make it something, right? I want to write X, I want to write Y, and I want to make a Z. So here we can even delete those things, we can expand those things. You can see that it becomes a full screen. You can have a small screen. So this expandable link is available. I can do even undo also certain things, and I can even erase it somewhere, whatever I want. So you can see that I can have erases also. So this tools makes very effective somewhere where I want to have some drawing also. And if you want to focus is on our images, so you can even load your images. If I want to explain something and write something, I want to annotate something, I have one setting option. You can see that setting option. You go into the setting option. I can even put the background over here somewhere, like something which is you can see that I can make it like some clock also. Hope you can see that some pictures are available. Now you can suppose that you can use some ready-made also, as well as you can have a upload also some. And you can see here upload. And in upload, what you can see that you can click over here, and you will have a pools of your images. From there you can upload your image, and you can have all your explanation regarding. Once you have a slides, people wants to use some slides, so they can upload their images from here. Anybody is joining here? Still some requests are coming up.
Yeah, you can just let in them, Harshal sir, if
Yes.
somebody is joining. I don't know. You can just.
Hmm. So this tools, yes. Let me first load my image. So this my image window has been come up, and I go to the pictures, and I load that. Whatever the picture I want to have explain that. So see, I have lot many images, so I would have something which is I want to explain over here. So you can see some of the images where I had taken up as a screenshot, and I want to explain those things, right? If I want to discuss on this story, I can load any appropriate image which we want. So I just have this image, and I keep it loaded over here. So it gets loaded, and I get selected now on this, and I go back to the my board, and I can make it this. So now I just use close this also, or I can have it down, it's also there. So now you can see that my images get loaded, and I can tool over that. So I want someone to be focused on my this. I select the again pen and choose my color. And now what happened? Now my mouse cursor will be able to, you can focus on Garage 48. You can close this also if you don't want, or you can put aside also somewhere. Please focus here, and you can keep drawing also certain things. Like this is the man who had designed something. You can focus on this. So this is like you can see that here is the from the profile you can see the Facebook account, and this images will be to you. I will be able to select some different colors, and you can see that on this images you can focus on this picture, and that way your screen will become more explainable. Even if you don't like, you can click and close on all this, and that will be all wipe out. So when I again draw and I can load another pictures also, these classroom screen does not require, the fantasticness is that does not require any kind of installation. So it's that much easy for everyone. Even you are missing something like this, those who are mathematics and they want some to plot like graph, they can use this way. You have a graph and you have a graph board. So here you have graph like this, you have, right? This makes our life easy, right? And we can load any other images also. I want to explain this, I want to explain, so we can have our images ready. And rather than pattern, I can replace that with my images folders. I can keep it ready. So this will make it more effective, more useful, right? So this we can use any of these images. You can do it from here, right? If you can look at that, I can easily load any of images very easily. Uh, you can load it over here and select those images. This is one of my training image. This person was doing this. I can explain it very easily. Even you can now I will use some color difference to recognize something. Like you can see that this fellow who had done this is Amit, this is Surbi, and this way we can have, and it is completely expandable. So this is one tool which is you can use like for your overlapping drawing on the presentation slides. If you want to explain something, completely drawable on any platform. So this is one of the drawing. Now another one which is very very interesting. Right now so many people are attending my class, and I couldn't able to like call them on personal basis, like Mr. Vivek, Mr. Falguni should Miss Falguni should answer. So what I can do here, I can have a one function random name, and these things which we can have loaded from the list also. Right now for an example, I can choose it, like I have Professor Vivek, Professor Rana, Professor, or you can say like I have a Doctor Deng, Doctor Patel, and I can have a list of many. From this settings, we can do a usage of this loading of the list. Again, we have a setting over here. We can have a load of the list. Once you register for it, you have an option of loading this. Okay. Now look at this here. What I can do, I can now select. Oh, then the Dr. Deng will answer my query, and I have no personal pointing out to anyone else. And we can make a list of these students, and this is completely called a random selections. Then the next question will be answered by, and I select Professor Vivek will answer now. So this way we can use these tools. Another tool, if you have some number based mechanisms, we can have select 1 to 6, we can have a single dice, and when you click on that, you can see that the number comes randomly. 2 dice, the 2 numbers will come randomly. 3 dice and 3 numbers, so up to the 18 in a small batch. This tool will be very very helpful. And even here also you can put your background color and make it more visible, more good visible. Even you can make this a background color as a transparent also, so you can see that transparency is also there. So anything which you want, you can choose it, right? This is possible here. Another most an important thing during this, I can not be visible, or my camera is getting lost to everyone. So what I can do here, I can go into the background, and what I can do here, rather than selecting anything, some colors or anything, I can make a plain background also. I can have a photos also. I can click a random also. That will be an automatically selected, and you can see my upload pictures are available here. So that also can be used. But now one more thing, I use a webcam. And once I click on a webcam, I need to give a permission, and I had already given. So now I am on screen live. I'm visible through the camera also. Another most important thing, you can use those things. Like this is symbolic. You can say silence. You can say do a group work, work together. Now you can ask your neighbor. These symbolic things will help us. It will not break our flow. I can directly say keep silence. And here also you can have your background colors. Okay, another most important thing. Now I would like to say that everyone please open and do something. Uh, then I want to have a timer based activity. So I will have a timer over here. I can even play a sound also. Whenever I will be in a room, I will have some sound also I can set. And I can even set a 1 minute to do the task, and I will set a 1 minute over here and keep playing. So this timer will be continuously on screen. Tick, 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 tick will be on. And another thing which I can use like a traffic symbol lights. So what I can do, I can say that all are ready, yellow. Let's go, green, and stop doing. So you have a red. So this symbolic use of this gadgets makes us very powerful with all these gadgets. Even other tools are there also, like a stopwatch. You can have a stopwatch also. So we can have this activities. You can make a laps, and one you have finished the activity in first lap, second lap. That way it will keep on accounting, and that gadgets makes us similar feel like we can have given some activities, timer based activities, and see my timer is done. Even I can do a reset of this. I close it. Even we want like a clock, a live clock will be visible. A, you can see that a 24-hour format in digital as well as analog. Even this is in up to hand what we want. We can even here give our new screen name, dashboard image, and we can have a take a screenshots also. So this will be a possible on creating a new screens also. Another thing which is a calendar, we want to discuss something on 5th, something on. So this calendar will be a very helpful tool when we want to discuss with some time and date. So this will be everything available on screen. We need not to see, and we need not to ask everyone to look at there, and this will be available. So when you are in a classroom, even though in doing a physical teaching, these gadgets will be on screen, will help you. And even these tools make you a draw, make you a write, and which I have yet not shown you very very important thing, which is like having a QR code. When you want to give an activity, you can use this QR code will help you to show you, or you want to, like right now lot many people are working through their phone, and I want to pass on there, and they need to pass on some link and ask them to open. It become very very hectic for them to go and copy and all this. So you can use this QR code tool. So I will just copy my next application, that link over here, and I'm copying that, or I can put it over here, and you can see that QR code will be ready. And for next opening of the app, everyone can open their phone and scan this code and have visit to that activity, and I'll demonstrate that again in a later on mode when I'll go ahead with the activities. So you can right now you can scan the QR code, and it will be able to open a Not app. This is what a QR code facility which we have, and that you can use anywhere in your usages. So even you can bigger size this, so everyone will be able to scan also. You can change the size easily. And now it becomes available for everyone to scan it. I can put it over here, and I can put it everywhere, wherever I want. Now, the very most important thing which I would like to show, that this you can have it up and down of this. You can have a screen, full screen. So by full screen, that all other the browser options will become invisible, and you can easily now you can store also my screens, and you can even personalize before that. You can have a group maker also, so you can make a group also. So here when I open up with my group, I can type names, or I can even load and create a group. So from this I can have, and you can save this name list. So you can create and save this name list from here. So what happened, whenever you go ahead somewhere and you keep on typing the list, once you have prepared, it will be always available with you. So this is what the you can see, that a power which available with everyone. And the last option which I'm exploring from this tool is a poll. This will create an anonymous poll. So you want to real feedback, and you will be able to configure it also. Like you can configure your question. Like I want to configure, say that, what do you think about today's lesson? And I can have a yes or no kind of an option. Even you can hide the results also. And even you can hide the results also. And these screen options which we can have a name over here, we can put the image also at the background. You can change the image, you can use another background as you want. You can name this poll, right? And you can see right now, see that this way the poll results will be coming up. Here you will be not able to know who had given what, because it is an anonymous poll. So if you have 5 options, you can see that there are 8 who had said the option number 3, who had 5 people who had said the option number 5. So this tool you can use for your all interactions, and you can change these questions also. And even in a classroom also, you can open up with your screen and ask the students, keep your laptop there, and that please click on any button and you may leave. And if they are worried about that, you can keep here, you can see that the poll has a configuration. You can say that hide results, so the result will be not visible, and let people click. People have click over somewhere, and this gets click all results. And then when you want to show, you click over here, the result will be updated, and here it will be available. So this is the tool where you can explore so many things. Now I will open up for the further round of question answer for this tool. And now I ask everyone, you can even try by yourself. And any difficulties will you face?
Harshal sir, that's what I wanted to say. Let them try classroom
Right.
screen first, because homeopathy teachers will be available only till 11. So let them try classroom screen first, because there are lot many applications uses of that. So let them
Very
try for next
right.
5 minutes. Let them
Correct. Correct.
just open that and let them
Sure.
try. So if they have any difficulty, they can get back
Oh,
before 11.
correct, correct. So one more thing, those who are using from the cell phone, for them, if you are using from a Chrome browser, you need to go and click over here, right? Something which is 3 dots are available, and then go an option here that use as a desktop mode. So that will be available to you for using as a desktop mode. You can select like a Chrome, and you can see I have also a classroom screen over here. I can first select here, and once I select over here, I will load off an option. You can see some options which is, and then select the desktop. There select a desktop site, those who are using from a phone. Then you can select the desktop site. And once you select the desktop site, you will be able to launch this classroom screen on your phone and see it getting ready. It is loaded. So you'll have but basically this is more for those who are using comfortableness, is more for the laptop. Another thing, once you start practice, I would like to make that this preferable options are video options, which is good for laptops. So that's what from my end. And now you can keep experimenting these things. Please start experiments. So here you can see I have multiple screens also. First screen where I have all these options, and second screen I have all the second screen which is there with me. So now you can start and experiment your work.
So Harshal sir has provided the link for classroom screen in the chat box. You can just click on that link. You'll be able to open that classroom screen option which Harshal sir has demonstrated just now. And you can just explore it for next 10 minutes. You can try out whatever things Harshal sir has explained. If you have any difficulty, you can just ask Harshal sir. ये सारे options आपको दिखाई देंगे when you click on the open classic screen. तो आपको नीचे सारे ये options दिखाई देंगे.
So in a mobile you can go only with the classroom classic screen, but in laptop you can have all this beautiful options are available. Yes,
Hello,
some
sir.
questions.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please, Anjali, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Actually, you showed means you told us that there is one tool to which we can just play the audio along with the timer,
Yes.
right? So there is certain the means tune is given in that tool. But
Yes,
suppose
there are.
I want, yeah. But suppose I want to play the custom tool that I could not see the what. I could
On
not
the
see
screen,
the
yes, on the screen for the timers, you don't have those options for loading your own customized tune, because that is more of like a Bales, more of like a Bales. So when you go ahead into that, you will not have those options. That is a pre-customized tool, and this is made by teacher and for teachers. So there is no music player sort of thought in their mind. So it is not there. Yes, I do agree with it.
okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
But you can always play your own sound and share your screen. So in the background, doesn't matter what screens are going on, right?
Okay, sir. Yes.
Morning.
So any other queries? Anyone
Sir,
does have
excuse
any
me, sir.
queries? Yes, yes.
Sir, can you please repeat the QR code, how QR code is work?
Okay, fine. I will repeat it, and we will go for the next application, and I will make that QR code applicable. So right now, if I would like to have some interaction and I want to have some polling by everyone, let's poll on this, right? I right, and if I create some poll, and on that I want some present something there, people have to interact with me, right? And when I go ahead with that, people will have to interact with me. I would create that a question to everyone, like do you something like it or not. When I have some question somewhere I have configured, and I want to share that with the people. So I had said something, and I want to share those links. So when I would want
Sir,
to
excuse me,
share those things,
sir.
yes, yes, I
Sir,
will share. I
Sir,
will
yes,
share
sir,
my.
yes, sir.
I
screen
will
share.
share my screen. Wait a minute. I will have my QR code ready, and then I will share it. So, so that sharing will be available with everyone. as I will have that. Once I have my link is ready, what I can do here, I can put it that my copy of this, how teacher in this classroom screen. I can, those who have said this question, just can tell me what is they are actually asking, because this is my, you can see that a classroom screen, and I want to have this my QR code, right? And what I need to do here, I need to click it from the QR option at the bottom. You can see that click QR option. My mouse is here, and I click over here. Then paste your link over here, and just you paste your link, and that things are ready. So now you can click on this, you can scan this, you can resize this, and now you can scan. So wherever I want, you need not to copy this, you scan, and you will be able to put some result on this kind of a screen will get open by scanning this. So this is the way you can use QR code, and once you scan this, this link will be open for the Menti voting screen, which is available. So this screen will be visible everyone. Maybe the third option I have not set right now, but you can have a yes, no. And these questions will come on your, and this meter will be on your click, you can submit. So someone want to say yes and submit. So this way, everyone will be able to vote and even see the results also. So I'm going to explore the next tool. But before that, as we have seen how to explore the QR code, this was a small demo for it. All right.
Sorry, I was not there, Harshit sir, but have you answered Vijay madam's question? Drawing, when we draw multiple objects at time of removal, it removes everything instead of one if we want. Is there any solution for that? That's the question in the chat box.
Okay, I will say that how to join teacher in this classroom screen. As you just you can just open a link and teacher join. I couldn't understand from Pradyuman C, sir. So if you can speak up that, I will take it up. And the Vijaya madam, that question, drawing when we draw multiple object at the same time, and of the removal of it removes everything instead of one if I want. Is there any something for this? Okay, yeah, if you want to have a, you can have a 3 screens also. So I will demonstrate that with the drawing tools, right? You have a one screen, and you have drawn something here, some objects like you have drawn some beaker. So let me use this black, and you have one box, you have one object which you have shown over here, and you can use an eraser. Once you can use eraser, you can see that you can have erases. Now I'm erasing something which I have drawn. So based on eraser, you can use a customize as we use generally with the paint brush. So same paint brush options are available. You can see that I have now deleted, or you can say that I have discarded those things, and I have made my option available, as you have said that some of the object has to be drawn. So here you can even change the size also. So those who like, I can say have, I want to have some bigger brush, I can have a size 6. You can see I have a bigger size. This is smaller size. All right. And you can have not one single board, you can have replicate another board. You can see that one board is here, another board is here. All right. So you can have another board, you can have another objects, even you can have the third board you want. Right. So that way you can customize your screen based on your need. So there you cannot worried about that if I want to delete one and it will be not deleted to other. And you can even do a full screen also. So then full screen will provide you all flexibility, right? And even you can resize as per your need. This is the resize button at the rightmost bottom corner. And I can even remove somewhere, and even I can have a bigger brush to remove. So I can use this bigger brush. See, you can, I have a bigger strokes for the removal. So hope Vijaya madam, I think I had satisfiedly answer what you were expecting.
Sir, I have a question. Harshal sir,
Yes,
can you,
yes, sir.
sir, I want to ask, is this classroom screen is a separate app for teaching, or is it used with Google Zoom or with Google Meet?
Sir, it is a separate app. Yeah,
Okay.
the point number one, you can use while you are using in a traditional classroom also. Then that time also you can use load it with the projector. Point number one. Second point, when you share your screen, it will be available. So it is not bounded with anyone that you need to use X, Y tool only. When you share a screen, your desktop is open for sharing. So,
Okay.
sir, this classroom screen will be opened up in your browser, and then the all is yours.
So how can we use poll option when we are only presenting our screen?
What to have a poll option only.
Yes, sir. So because
So,
shown there is a poll option in the classroom screen. So when we
hmm,
are presenting only our screen, how can one poll on that screen?
so that's what I was saying. That for poll, I am going to tell you the Mentimeter, and that would be very good app for sharing this polling option. Make it remotely polling.
Okay.
लेकिन हर्षल सर ये मेंटीमीटर ये सेपरेट ऐप है ना, वो सेपरेटली ओपन करना पड़ेगा ना?
बट उसके लिए तो हमने QR कोड यूज किया कि आपको ऐसा कोई भी
अच्छा,
चीज है, एंड Mentimeter में देयर यू हैव many type of options. You can do not be able to have only one shot of things.
सर
So
आपका
now can I?
कनेक्शन,
My connection is get weaker.
कैन यू जस्ट रिपीट?
Yeah, I'll repeat. A Mentimeter will have a variety of options. So let me just go through a Mentimeter first, and you can see here. What you can do, you can have many slides. I want to change this slide, and that slides will have see the live answers also. So this options, when I go ahead and configure these things, you can see here the types, and you have multiple choice, you have word counts, everything you can do like with your all options. So when you want to have a next slide, you can add slide, and you what have options. Like if you want a people to write something, you can make it out. You can have a question answer, you can do it. You can have a scaling options, like people do and scale something like left to right drag and something. They can do a ranking also. So I would prefer that it is a Mentimeter where you can have a quiz also, you can have a content also, and you have like interactions. जैसे कि if you are asking कि like people have to write something, and then word cloud, it will be generate the word cloud. So every participants can do a 3 entries, and it will get ready for that. So here I will have ICT tools. What is in your mind for the ICT tools? And my question is ICT tools, and you have to give me a long description answer, right, for that. So what I can do that every participants will be able to give me a 3 particular things, and let participants submit the multiple times. I can allow from here or disallow from here, and even I can set the any language if of my choice. So that can be a filter also. I can do it. And what I can do here, I will be make you a sharing this particular option, and you need to use this code 971418, and this will be available. So I can from do it here sharing, and the digit 971418 is a valid now, and I can set these expiry. So what happen, I can even open up this QR code also, and people can scan also. So that Mentimeter is also providing QR code, and people can scan and go to this poll. So that is option number one. Another, we can copy this somewhere, and the QR code will be generated. So I can copy this and go back to my classroom screen, and I open up the QR code and put it over here. So the QR code is dynamically get generated. And when scan this, people will scan this, they will have these Mentimeter option, and they will have a screen, ICT tools. So now I will not do, and I'll ask everyone to write there and open up. So now all will write there, and we will see the results over here. As a teacher, I will be able to show the result, and even I can make a presentation mode also. So ICT means I will have an interactive, that's where you can type, communicative, and effective. So this will have prepare my word cloud, and you can have a submit on here. So now if you submit, you can see the voting results also, and that will be available for everyone on a screen. So see, this way the cloud is getting created over here, and you can use your own, and that will get updated, reflected over here. So last poll results are available. If someone do a polling, this results will also available here like this. As people will do there, they can, even the word is getting, see that it is getting changing. So this way you can have a votings, right? Can make this way interactive. You can give a task your students to do something. You can even customize those things. Like I can close the voting over here. I can hide the results. So all options are available, and this you can even download also. Download results in your Excel sheets. So this will help you to analyze what you want. So right now I'm not downloading, I'm keeping to that slide only.
Harshal sir.
Ji sir.
Ji. Sir, my question was that when we are using classroom screen,
Okay.
so over there, can I ask my students to do something on screen, or it's only I doing it?
Nah, that is for teacher.
Okay, all right.
If you
In
want some,
Mentimeter, we can have both way communication.
in Mentimeter also there is a polling, questioning, and they have an answer. So that you can create the poll, create the question, and they can answer, and collaboratively you can do it.
Okay.
Can we save
Now,
the image which is created using a classroom screen? Yes, madam, you can create that, save that image also. That image you can take a screenshot. Option is available, the creating a screenshot. While you are drawing this and you want something as a screenshot, you can go here and take a screenshot. So that as a screenshot, you can make it that available. Right, so after your drawing, you want to save it, you can have it as in screenshots. And the very most Pradyuman sir had asked that you want an interaction with the people. Screen is presenting is okay. So that is called not app. Now not app is where I will share everyone first a link and make that all you use. So that would be better. I will share first in a chat and ask everyone to open. And even for my QR options also, I will use this. Let me just close other things which is not good to see. So I'll close, and I will copy this here. And this everyone will be able to now do something what Pradyuman sir wants to write and ask the people. So you can now scan this. You can scan this, and once you scan, you will have these screens. And now I will ask everyone, click anywhere, and you will have your sticky notes, and you can keep typing over here. So now I ask every participants, put your comments, put your words, put your feelings in one sticky notes on this board. So those who are from even phone, they will be able to also do it. The link which I had already shared, right, in a chat box, so you can have it. And I can see that here. See the madam Kamini madam is editing this. Even people have created a new things. And this you can ask your student Pradyuman sir to write something, do something here. And another option is there a Jamboard, where Jamboard you can do a collaborations. And even here also you can have a chat. So you can see, I can say something. Hello, everyone. Right? So you can make this chat also here. People have joined. I can see that 10 people have joined this here at the bottom. Write the viewpoints. Everyone, you can write here. It is very open. So even you can choose a file and to ask to share.
Sir, is there any link on this? Because when I clicked on the link, it says that you are 8 in line. This window will disappear once a free spot opens up.
Sorry, I couldn't get you. 8 in line.
8 in line, this window will disappear once a free spot opens up. It's not allowing me to write anything on the board, and there is small window message which has come up.
I think it is not to be happened, because see that you can see Kamini madam is also writing. Someone had written good morning, so they can write their name. So you can see, sir. This, are you using laptop or phone, sir?
No, I'm using it on
So
desktop.
sir, you can copy that image and you will be able to click anywhere, sir. Like I can see that I click over here and you can see that my that note is appearing here. And you can see the madam had shared a file also. So Kamini madam had shared file and everyone can download that file also.
Archal sir,
Yeah.
मुझे message आ रहा है, do you own this board and do you want more collaborators? That's the message I'm getting.
Even I am getting the same message.
When I have downloaded the Note app, the link, and that's why I am unable to create my note or write something on the note, because it's showing that are you the owner of this board?
Have you?
In this case, I have clicked the link which you have shared in the chat box.
Okay. That particular link is asking something like this. You are all. You can see that even you can use this. No problem. I'll share another screen for another link for everyone. There we can have a collaborated also. So, you can use another link. Please use the
जो प्रद्युमन सर को मैसेज प्रद्युमन सर ने बोला वही आ रहा है कि you are 6 in the queue and it will disappear. वही मैसेज आ रहा है मुझे.
No problem. I'll make it open because it is a customized setting. So I have shared one public link now again, and you can see that now there are so many people have written. So use the second link. I will show that you can use this second link. And there everyone will be able to write and do something, and there are many people have written, so many comments are there, and the options are here. What options I will demonstrate that here in the setting. What I have done, a board setting where I have restricted something, permissions, that public, everyone has access, and there I can make something, create an edit item, delete item. I can restrict that. And I can make this collaborator also, that I can add someone as my collaborator. So, and I can download all data also. So in the board settings, if I had made it something which is a private, this will not allow you. So I would change that. I can make it password protected and private only to my team, and I need to add all email addresses as my collaborator. So right now I make it as a public, and you can use the another link, so that another link does have all people. You can do that. Use the second link. So now everyone can write here, and I will work from here. That would be more preferable. So hope now everyone will be in.
Yes, we are in. How to delete these notes, Harshal sir? How we can delete?
Yeah, you can delete this. You have an option here, as you can see. Uh, Delete option is there on a not, and what I can do, click on here, and there is a right button. Yes, I want to delete. Yes, it will be get deleted.
Harshal sir, please excuse.
Yes, yes, please.
Yeah, sir, we have got a Ayush Ministry webinar at 11 and we have to mandatory join that webinar. So, ma'am, can we leave now? Devyani, ma'am?
Yeah, please. Yes, please.
Like, very
Please.
interesting.
So we'll be putting this on YouTube and hope it was useful for you, and you can certainly get back in case of any difficulties while using it. Thanks a lot.
Ma'am, I feel it was very useful. So again, if you give for another college, we can join back again also.
I will have to check the availability of Harshal sir. That's why we combined 3 institutions today, because he is really tied up with so many things, but still he accepted, and I'm really thankful to him. But
No
certainly,
problem. Whenever we arrange, yes, madam. Whenever we arrange, we will inform them that this time we are arranging, so they can
certainly,
also join. Right?
certainly. So,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
so you can just explore it, and I think that's the best way of learning. So great. Thank you for joining us. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Ina madam. Thank you.
Thank you, Harshal sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, madam. Thank you. And this makes this button is very, very useful. You can say the target button, which makes anywhere your slide is somewhere somehow, and you want it on a center. So like Dharmendra Rathod is typing somewhere, and I want it somewhere it is to be get centered. So I click on that, and it will come and center with the proper alignment and proper size. So that you can see that now Anjali is at the center. Now Pradyuman sir's tool will be at center. Pooja Bhav sir's tool will be at center. So this way you can interact very nicely, very effectively with each and every student, and you can create your all board, and you can delete it also, no problem. So how to do it? Once you explore, पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर भरोसा करेंगे. So I'll now leave it to everyone first.
हर्षल सर,
Yes sir.
मैं दूसरों का भी डिलीट कर पा रहा हूँ. Is it
Yes,
possible?
it is available.
Yeah.
Available. मैं ये सब चीजें बाद में बताता हूँ कि कैसे वो सब आप
Okay.
रोक सकते हो. So right now I had made open because we were facing some problems, and I had made open. Right. So once I had made open, that is very purposefully right now. I want everyone to explore all options. And here, sir, you can allow someone to do whatever they want to. For that, we are making this interactiveness. But if you want to configure this way, I will show you the options. You have this board. Let me delete this from the scratch. Let me start my tool. I will delete here. So I have deleted my board, right? What I can do that I can first delete this, and I can collaborator. So first I will load my desktop, and I need to do a login. So I had to go and log in into my Not app, and once I need to create my account. Once I've created my account, then I will be able to do this. Right, and I'll go to my dashboard. When I go to my dashboard, you can see I have logged in. What I can do here, I can go to the settings, and in a permissions, so you can see that I can customize my backgrounds and set background colors, wallpapers, and then you can see that create and edit items, but you can remove the delete items. So the people will not able to delete it. So you can remove this right once you share. Understand, sir? Pradyuman sir, your worry can be handled that you can remove this option.
Yes.
G.
Yeah.
G.
So you can uncheck this option and save it. This board will be stop deleting by anyone else. So only the moderator, administrator will be able to do it. So that is what the configurations are available. You want some restricted people to get in only, you can make it password protected. And then once you shared, once you shared the link, you need to give also a password. So those who have a password, only those who have password, they will be able to join, and I can set my password. So those who have a password based, they can set the password, and even you want it private to your team, and then what you need to do, that you have to other collaborators. So you need to add the collaborators from this option, a blue button. All right. So this is all about the somewhat sticky notes. So let's experiment and then trust and use. So I think, I hope everyone would have done. Yes, anyone is having some query questions, we will take it. So I'm sharing, stop sharing my screen and coming back from this. So now I will open up any questions, any difficulties which could have been, because there are so many other tools also which we can explore, but as per the time, I ask you to do it by your own. Do the Mentimeter also, because the Mentimeter is very fantastic tool for your interactions, and it provides you a lot many options of discussing with the students. You can have a word count, you can have the communications, you can have questions, quiz answers, and you can have lot many things you can do which you have ever thought of that, right? Multiple choice, open-ended discussion, scalings, ranking, image choosing. Even you can put an images also, and you can have an image based poll also. Another options are also there. So for that, before some questions are there, if it is not, I will again and go through some options which you can use as a, again for polling. There is a site which is called dynamic polling. So that is called a dynamic direct poll. So I will show just a screen where you can use those things, called a dynamic poll and other things. So you can use this direct polling, and this will be also the tools which you can explore, and they are very easy tools also, just if you have some polls only. So you can use a direct polling, and just it takes a minute. The site name is directpoll.com. Okay. So then another very fantastic tool is a Slido. That is a very makes it very interactive. And this is all about the very famous companies you can see on a screen. They are using this for their collaborativeness. So, right, then Mentimeter, as we have said, right? Then classroom screen already we have explored. Then
So can you also share the links for this Slido and in the chat box?
sure,
So
sure.
whoever wants can just use those links
Sure.
for further use.
No problem. I will share. Okay. So
you can just copy and paste
I
it
had,
for your future purpose. Yeah.
yeah, I
Oh,
had
that's
this
great.
on a screen. Okay, so
So
this
let
links
them
are
take
available.
a screenshot. Let everybody take a
Yes,
screenshot of this.
yes, it is available for them.
Yeah. Yeah, I hope everybody has taken the screenshot. Okay, sir. Yeah.
So these tools will be making this your life easier in a online teaching, learning, and make your more interactive. So I hope this session would have helped you to reduce your more worries, right? When you are having interacting in an online virtual mode, make them appear easily, making them connected easily.
Certainly. Certainly, Arshil, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So, any questions, any doubts, queries? It's open. So you can just ask your doubts. No?
Oh, fine. That means
Okay,
the
probably
message
to
is
try
conveyed.
Harshal sir. So let them explore. Let them explore. Yeah. And So great. Thank you, Harshal sir. It was a wonderful session, and it's really useful and relevant in the current times as it's online teaching for everybody. So we will share the feedback link with all the HODs. So request all the participants to please fill the feedback forms, which will help us. Thank you all the teachers, HODs, HOIs, and Harshal sir. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Stay
Thank you
safe.
listening me for a while, for an
Thank you,
hour.
Harshal. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for sparing your time. I know how busy you are, but thanks a lot.
Okay. Thank you. Nice. We are now leaving. I'm stop recording.